Welcome friends. In this video, I am going to discuss about else statement inside the for loop. Okay, how else statement is executed inside the for loop. Very important. Okay, so there is a for loop, and inside the for loop, after work, else statement is going to be work. Okay, so here also written here, else keyword in a for loop specifies a block of code to be executed when the loop is finished. Okay, how? So let's see. For x in range, then here you have to print 6 colon print x, then else colon print loop finished. Okay, loop finished. Now when you are going to be print it, Control Alt L. So here 1 2 3 4 5, then loop is finished. Okay, but in some case the else word else is not going to be work. So let's I will see means that is points. There is some cases arises where you can't executions of the else statement. Any guesses where it is not work else statement, where else block? Yes, there is a point comes out that is called a break. Okay, when break hit, at that time it is not going to be work properly. Okay, so let's see how it is work. So when print for x in range, that is from 2 to 8 comma 1, print if x modulus 2 not equal to 0 colon, okay, x modulus 2 not equal to 0 colon break. Okay, then here you have to print the x, and also here else colon print loop finished. Okay, loop finished. So let's see. So here 2 is execution because here beginning is the even, but after gone through it, they print the statement. Okay, x, when it is comes to the 3 is not equal to 0, that's a break, and when hit the break, the else block is not going to be executed. So at that time you know where the else block is not in the execution part. Fine, it's a very important. And you, if you have there is any requirement of else block inside the for loop, you can use it. Otherwise there is no there is very less requirement in this point of view. Okay, understood how it is a work? So please, if you have any doubt, go through the comment box and type there. Please like this video and share this particular video, and click on the subscribe button and bell icon. When I am going to upload any future videos, you will get the notifications. Thank you.